Next question. Remove what you didn't wear last night. Remove what you didn't
Guys,
wear
you need to cover your
last
head.
night.
Cover.
Oh, kunin mo na sila.
Cover.
You can't ask the question.
No.
That's a question.
Yeah, it's a question. Yeah, remove what you didn't wear last night. That's it.
Oh, next.
Are you good?
Disot mo.
Wala sila. Just
No,
No, second question. Yeah, second question.
And
Yeah,
it-
remove the things that you didn't wear last night.
yeah, I was about to, and I don't know.
Okay, yeah, you were, yeah. You need
No,
to
game is still running. It's not done.
cover it. Okay, second questions. Remove again all the things that you did not wear last night.
Remove again?
Yeah, you need to remove
Only one
the
thing.
things.
Only one thing.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
You said all the
We're wholesome here. I will wholesome, guys.
Nagkakonda si brother, sabi ni brother. No, but you're good, brother. You get the questions. No, you answer it.
But the English should be only one thing, not
Oh,
all the
yes.
things. Remove all the things.
What you didn't wear.
Okay. Next question again.
Brother
Remove
Bawi ka sa
again all the one thing that you did not wear last night.
Wala na matitira sa kanya.
Kasi it's a common
Ganon siya. Ganon talaga siya.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, ganon siya.
Okay, next.
Ay, pag nagtanggal na ng
Yeah.
Ate naman eh. Ate naman. Ate Maribel.
Okay, next.
Yun kasi yun.
Cover. Cover, kuya. Cover. Uy. Next, again, one last question, Ito na yung pinaka-last.
English.
Remove again the one thing that you did not wear last night. Nakits nyo na yung laro? One thing. Again, Okay. Okay, last. You know the answer will be upon your answer. Okay, again, remove the one thing that you did not wear last night. Again, one thing that you did not wear last night. Remove it, guys. Go. Oh, that's Guys, magtatagal tayo. You need to remove. Okay. Another question. Again. Remove again one thing that you did not wear last night. One last thing. Guys.
Remove what you didn't wear last night. What?
Remove.
What's in you that you need to remove? You didn't wear last night. Go.
Guys, remove it. Remove.
No cheating! No cheating!
Remove. Guys, dalawa na lang kayo. Remove.
Only two guys left.
Cheating!
Remove again. Last
Ito
question.
mami niya, yun.
Repeat natin na.
Remove one thing you did not wear.
Yeah!